Welcome back to Working on Exploring. As you can see, we are back at the shop, as Cheryl says. We've been here for about 5 weeks. We came because one of our rental houses was turning over and we had to be here to supervise the removal and solicit new tenants, and so that's being done. I have been working on Maximus a good bit, so let me give you a quick overview of what you're going to be seeing in videos in the future. Okay, on the back here, you can see I've raised the tow hitch 10 inches. I made a drop receiver so I can still tow the Jeep. I've built some lockouts in here so I can keep the pivoting mount from pivoting. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I put quad shocks on the back end and on the front end. I built some receiver on both sides of it so I can add recovery points, and that'll help with our getting stuck problems. I still have mud flaps to repair. And as usual, there's maintenance stuff. So new brake shoes have already been, new brake pads and new brake shoes for the emergency brakes have been put on. There's the new shock absorbers you can see. A new shower floor. The old one was wooden and warped up. This is deck material, composite deck material. Up in the front, we've had some major revisions as well. Not happy about being stuck. I finally got the 18,000-pound Warn winch installed. I had to build a new bumper to do that. The bumper has storage compartments in the side of it that allow me to put all my recovery gear in there. I've made some recovery gear. I made these hitch links. And I made a couple of these too. Bought some other stuff. Still need to put some carpet in there. Receivers on the front as well. As behind here is the factory recovery point. That's just a cover winch. New headlights. We had problems with our last on the last trip with headlights burning out, so I replaced the whole fixtures, new lights, and more to come.